Hi everyone, and welcome to M.A.D for Mondays. You know, on a Monday I always talk about what do we do to make a difference, and a lot of the times on a Monday I'm actually traveling to the next place where we're going to speak, where we can make a difference to so many more people. So, you know, thinking of that in mind and planning for the people that we're about to visit, it's really important that we always plan ahead, of course. So putting those clothes aside that you want to wear, you know, save that mad rush on a Monday. Don't you hate that? All of a sudden, I've got a meeting I've got to get to. Where's that stocking? Where's that piece of jewelry? So I think on a Monday, it's a great time to step aside and start to think on that Sunday night, what do I need for the week? Where are those clothes? Does anything need to get dry cleaned? So I'm thinking on a Monday, it's a great time to plan that week ahead and think of your clothes. That's a bit of a change, isn't it? Think about what do you want for the week and to make sure it's all there. You know, I pulled out a pair of shoes the other week to travel down to Melbourne, and I noticed there was a slice right across the top because when I was in Melbourne the last time, one of the waiters dragged an iron chair across my shoe. So that meant it was a last minute dash to replace a pair of shoes, and ladies, you know how hard that is to find that right pair of shoes. So don't wait to the day you need them, plan ahead. Speak soon, bye.